G'day, how you going? Down the shed today, I'm helping a mate out with his GU TD42. He's having some dramas with it starting and running. So once he gets it started, it runs okay, but then it plays up for him every now and then. And then when he pulls up to the next set of traffic lights or stop sign, it seems to want to stall on him. So I thought I'd just share a tip that I used. It's pretty obvious what's wrong, but I'll just show you what I've done. What I started with first was checking out the fuel filter. I removed that and had a look. It wasn't too bad. Then I went down to the little gauze, which is underneath that supply fitting, banjo fitting just down there. And that was pretty much clean. And then I fitted some clear tubing. So from the fuel filter housing to the supply of the fuel pump, just down there. Then I went from the return back. And what I found once we got it running, I had air in that return line. So that was telling me that I had a fault with the fuel pump, or from there onwards. And I'll show you, it's pretty obvious what the drama is. Jumping under the car, where you can see it's leaking. Off the side of that fuel pump, there's a little steel plate just dripping from there. Now I know you can replace the O-ring behind there, but normally if it's leaking from there, it could be possibly leaking from the front seal or anywhere else. So this is a great opportunity for my mate to upgrade his fuel pump, seeing he's turboed the old TD42. That clear tubing worked well on this scenario. Just take caution of what fuel system you are working with, because different systems have different pressures in them. But for the TD42, this worked well. Oh, dirty thumbs up. Take it easy.